Hey guys, I'm out of town at the moment. I'm in Queensland, which is the Sunshine Coast, doing some work, and I've just dropped into Kmart to have a look at their Hot Wheels stuff. I can't resist myself, so let's just have a quick look while I'm here. I'm after some hot rods. That's what I'm in particular looking here today. See what they've got. They've got a very large selection here. But look, it's all the normal sort of stuff that you're going to find everywhere else. What's that? I can't see anything down there that's interesting me. There's all these sort of things. What's this? Octane. What does that do? Not too sure about that. What about this little guy? He looks good. Just hang on a second. We've got looks like a little night shifter here. Oh, that looks cool. Yeah, we might get that. What else we got? I know I'm here for hot rods, but hey, what the hell? There's another night shifter down in there. Not much there. Gee, there's a lot of new stuff I haven't seen. What's this one? I haven't got my glasses. I think that says 2 Jet Z. Not too sure. Man, hot rods are so hard to find, hey? There's another Porsche. Gee, these are fully stocked, but it's all just sort of the average gear. Oh, what's that? No, I've already got that one. Nothing there, nothing there. Nothing down in there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, look at this. What's this? Surf and turf. Yeah, maybe $2. We'll grab that. And I've got that. I've already been down through there. Yeah. I really can't see a lot. I thought there might be the Lamborghini pack here, but that obviously hasn't hit Australia yet. Some Fast and Furious cars, which I have, and they're $4. Yeah, holding everyone up here. And colour shifters, turtles. That looks interesting. Well, let's have a look up here and see if we can find some exotics. Nothing down there. Oh, there's a track builder. Nothing there. I was actually hoping to get a track meet. Nothing down there. Races. Nothing there. Police pursuit. Nothing there. No exotics. Hot Wheels trucks. Fast and Furious. Nothing there. No, I'm not going to bother down there. Let's have a look on the side. Oh, exotics! Guess what? Oh, Toon Tracks! Guess what I've just got for you? Coming your way, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. A little bit damaged up there, but there's not much we can do about it. I'll grab that for you. Let me just put that one away. And hang on. I'm going to just put these here so no one takes those. I'll have to put things on the floor. Let's have a look. Any more exotics? Hot trucks. I've got that. Police pursuit. And nothing much down there. Well, I'm thinking I'm just going to get these three. What do you reckon? Octane, Surf and Turf, and Night Shifter. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Oh, hang on. Along with the exotics pack. Nice. I'll catch you guys later.